Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It's Friday. Yay! Finally. Hey, Friday. July 17th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys today. And, yeah, this week has been killer, you know? Just a lot of strange energies coming in. I've been feeling very drained. I mean, part of it is, my day job is very, very busy this time of year. So there's that, and there's just a lot going on there. But just energy-wise, I've been feeling, ooh, that was interesting, a lot of, like, resistance. I think that's the word, resistance. There's been a lot of resistance in the air. Like, not just, like, people that I know, yes, but it's just, like, this feeling of literally feeling oppressed and wanting to break out, but feeling like you can't. Okay? Feeling like you're stuck. Almost. Okay, so some stuck energy coming in, some frustration energy coming in, some anger, a lot of frustration, a lot of fear. Okay? Which, I mean, doesn't surprise me at all. Not really. Okay, so we've got sexuality here. Take off your mask, which that's my favorite. And help from above. Okay. So I have been feeling this renewed sense of motivation kind of coming in for a while. Like the sexuality aspect, the creative aspect. Like I've been getting these epiphanies, these ideas, these things that I want to do. So I feel like the collective right now are kind of getting these sparks of creativity, like these ideas of what they want to do. And this could have to do with your mission. It could just have to do with just you. Maybe there's something that you've been wanting to do and you've been kind of putting off. And so now you're like, all right, now it's time to do it. And then, there's this one, which, I mean, I'm going to let that one speak for itself, really. But, a lot of us, again, dealing with our illusions right now and also at the same time taking off our facade. Like those of us who have been putting on a facade for other people, to make other people happy, to keep other people appeased, to not offend anybody, to basically get along and go along. And a lot of us are basically dropping that. We're like, we're not gonna appease anybody anymore, because we realize that we are here to do something significant, and that's what Source is showing us to do. A lot of us, it's basically our job is to lead by example, to show others that it's okay to be in your truth, okay? And that you have no control over what other people do, over how other people feel. And I think it's different, not caring what people think and not letting what people think bother you. Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see the difference? Okay? And I mentioned this before, a lot of us who are light workers, we've gone through some early trials. We've gone through this whole, ordeal where we've had to kind of toughen up our skin for that reason. It's time to take off the mask. Okay? Yeah, I mean, forward movement, I definitely feel that's happening. A lot of us are needing to release some resistance here. Some of us, there's resistance around us right now. So we're like feeling like, okay, well, where's the resistance coming from? Is it coming from other people? Is it coming from us? And I feel like a lot of times when there's a lot of resistance going on around us, we pick it up, okay? And it ends up affecting us. So remember to keep yourself balanced, keep yourself grounded as much as possible, okay? But in order to move forward, in order to manifest your new beginning, you've got to release your defenses too, okay? So that's what I mean, like releasing resistance, defenses. When you put up your defenses, when you're in resistance, that's where you keep yourself stuck. Okay, so the stuck energy that's coming in, I feel, is coming from the collective, because a lot of us are kind of stuck in this resistance energy. And again, not a lot of us know where it's coming from, okay? But it could be coming from within. So if it is, you know, you want to search for that and clear that out, you know, and then you can actually move forward, okay? So I do feel some clarity coming in, and win-win forecast has been coming up quite a bit. So I do feel that is the case. Again, source is on your side. You are getting help, so remember that, okay? You just got to look at the bigger picture. But yeah, it's time, guys. Like, I've been saying this for a while. This is a call to action. Light workers of the world, unite. Step up. It's time. It's time, okay? Stop pulling yourself back. Okay, it is your time. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to shine, guys. Don't. Okay? Don't let people hold you back. Don't let people's opinion of you hold you back. You know your truth, speak it. Speak it loud, speak it proud. I mean, you want to respect other people, obviously. You know, it's okay. It's okay if people don't see or they're not ready to receive what you have to say. But don't keep it from letting you say what you need to say, what you're being called to say, okay? All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.